Hello guys, my name is Harshvardhan Rai. Today we will see one Turing machine problem which is basically contains even number of ones and even number of zeros. So we will working this problem on JFlap. So we downloaded the JFlap and opened Turing machine, and in that we four state is there in this, and we initialize Q1 as initial state. So for even number of ones, basically from Q0 we move to Q1. So here it is 1. If it is 1, we replace it by 1 and we shift it right. And again for if it is 1, then it will replaces to 1 and right shift. So basically it is even number of ones. And again here for even number of ones, if it is 1, we replaces by 1 and we right shift this, and again 1 we replaces by 1 and we right shift this. And for odd number of, or for even number of zeros, we move the transition from Q1 to Q3. If it is 0, we replace by 0 and move right side. And from Q3 we move again to Q1 transition. 0 we replace it by 0 and right shift. Again here also in Q1, 0 we replace it by 0 and we have to right shift. And again in Q2, if it is there, then we move transition to Q0, 0 we replace it by 0 and we basically right shift this. Now we move to the final state part. So we take one more state as Q4, and Q4 is basically we consider this as final state. So in this diagram we see like we have even number of zeros and even number of ones. So we move basically from Q0 to Q4 and blank blank, and we just simply right shift this. So we take the stimulation part and we see for 0011. So for this part we see it is on 0. Then next step it is on 0. Again it moved to 1. Again it moved to 1. And then it moved to blank and it reaches. And this is the stimulation part. And if we like multiple run what we have seen, if we take input at 0011, we see that it is accepted. If we take 00001111, again you see it will be accepted. But we take as input 011. So it is not basically equal number of zeros and ones, even number of zeros and ones. So if we run it, the state will be rejected. And again you see like 011110. So if I run this again, this will be accepted because it has even number of zeros and even number of ones. So thank you. Basically, this is the tuning machine part, how to find even number of zeros and even number of ones.